Taylor here with Jackson Boys Outdoors. In today's video, myself and the boys make a final push to get some small game for the 2025-2026 season. We're facing fierce weather conditions, we're battling with wild predators, dealing with very smart rabbits, having lots of fun in the snow, making lots of memories. I'm taking you guys along for this adventure with us. I hope you enjoy this video. In today's video, myself and the boys are in the Burin Peninsula area, and we're setting pounds in snowstorms and doing a final push for rabbits before I return home. So we're in a snowstorm. The boys had no school. I figured it was a good day to come up and try to get 1 pound out anyway. I run out of time left to get my slips out, so try to set up a pound anyway. It is snowing. It's a full-on snowstorm, and my smart thinking, come up and set a pound. I don't know if this is going to work, but worth a try, I guess. Only had a short time left of the rabbit hunting season. By the time I return home from work, it's done. So myself and Carter come up. I leave the bike going. I'm afraid of her battery. Her battery's after giving me a bit of trouble last few days, so I'm gonna keep her running. Not a big deal. You ready to set some pounds?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, we need to find some birch. Oh, buddy, we need to find a birch. Watch your step. Looks like some old rabbit tracks here. Could be good. Is that a birch right there, though? See it? That's a birch. I'm sure that looked nice on camera. You're gonna get me falling on my face. Now, buddy, we got her now. Now I need his tips. Woohoo! We have worse days in the woods. We have better too. We have found their spot, and we got the axe broke. One manage, but it's not going to be easy. I got a little backpack inside I got here off a neighbor years ago, so we're going to try that and manage that for the time being. It will work, but it's going to take a bit more time. It's all part of it. I want to get a pound out, so it's just swell. Watch out for the camera. And that is the pound made. Little 2-door pound, nothing extravagant. But we got the birch on the inside and everything else. And it should work for us. I'll come check on tomorrow, see how it's doing. Keep you guys posted. Time to head home, buddy. This is rough. Whew, that pound should be just fine. It's a nice little pound to do on the snow there. Wish I could have made more, but now we finally get some snow and I'm almost due back to work. I probably would have stayed out and made a few more, but I think I should get Carter home. Boys want to take their snowmobile around the house. I think that's a good thing to do for the rest of the afternoon. Just me in today. Check the pound, maybe put out a couple slips. Boys are in school right now. All fresh powder on the trail is great. Thank God for the Canada made 100. She's doing great. Woo-hoo! Give it to her. Give it to her. She loves it. snow's here behind me. Hit a tree branch. No sign yet. I know they're around the area. I'm after seeing them here. So it's just a matter of time. Hopefully it's before I gotta go back to work. But we'll keep trying. I didn't decide to set any slips yet. I'll see if the boys want to do it after. I just come up to break a trail into the camp. And I tell you, it's like a winter wonderland. I'll show you. Definitely makes for some interesting riding conditions. But I realize I have my axe at home. That's fine. I'll come up later, possibly with Roman. We'll set a pound and head back down again. Getting all their skidoo time in, especially it's nice sleep before I head to work. There's a lot more snow down than I thought. It's great, it's fun. This is what it looks like when you're get a bit of confidence, go break a trail that hasn't been rode in a while, and there's all kinds of snow. I am covered, but oh my god, is it fun! Woo! Oh, I got snow everywhere. So I got myself and Roman here now today. Boys are out of school. So me and Roman's gonna come up and set a pound now. We're in a spot. Back there looks like a good spot for a pound. So we're gonna set it there, buddy, ain't we? Let's give it to her. Now, buddy, we got our pound. What's the next step?
Put snares in?
No, we got the snares to put in them. We gotta get some branches and we gotta find some birch, right? Did you bring a hat?
No.
Put your hood up, please. Silly. Here we go. We gotta find some birch. Let's go take a look. Yeah, do you like the birch in those tips? So I think there's a birch up here. Let's go look now, buddy. And the snow's pretty deep. Very surprised for down here. But oh, buddy, that'll work right there. You see that?
Yeah, the one that's like squiggly.
Squiggly, yeah.
Oh, there's an old man's beard too.
Old man's beard. We shouldn't need none of that, but that should work just fine. That should. Those tips. Give that a try, boy. So I had some people I seen making pounds. They call them pins, traps, boxes, sets. I always call them pounds. You need the saw for a while? No, that's fine. We should have enough for any customer now filling this pound. And I got some birch tips. Hopefully that drives them nuts. Say woo! Sure hope it's gonna work. Hey, look at that. Good job, Mr. Man. Good job. You want to see something funny? It's like my own little flurry. Dad's covered in snow now. You have fun?
Yeah.
Time to head out again, I think. You look good.
Yeah.
You look real good.
Yeah.
Let's go. So if you look, we got rabbits moving. My pound's here. The rabbit come all around. But he never come in the pound. That's weird. But he knows it's there. That's the main thing. Not in this pound either, but there's tracks come right in. I guess with these cold nights they're moving, but it's a sign. I know one rabbit can make a lot of tracks, but that looks like a couple bunnies. So I came up today to check the pens, the pounds. Still nothing, but there's rabbits on around. The only thing that makes me nervous is there's lynx tracks, I think, right behind them. So I think the lynx kind of got moving. I could be wrong, but I think they're lynx tracks. Still pretty cool. I had another snare it anyway. Give that a try. Maybe that will work, maybe it won't, who knows. Me and Carter come up, pull my slips. Snow's getting too much. I'm soon heading back to work. So far, first pound, nothing. Let's go check the rest, buddy.
Let's do this.
No luck with the bunnies. That's all you can do. We work rotation. I would have kept on chasing them. We got one anyway this season. Sad truth is my return home is closed. That's it. Thanks for watching.